So I think I should start keeping some logs other than what's happening in the challenges, in case anything significant happens. Because of everything that's been happening. Everything. So I'll talk about anything that I think is relevant that's been going on. A while ago, my doctor told me I have a case of chronic either bronchitis or a case of asthma that flares up when I get sick. This will explain why every time I get sick, say the flu or something, the actual sickness doesn't last that long, but I end up coughing for about a month afterwards, 2 months. And this has actually been going on since middle school. Always been coughing a lot. And it started again. Now, you'd probably be wondering why this is even relevant. A couple days ago I got strep throat. At least I'm pretty sure that's what it is, because I don't have any other symptoms other than, of course, my coughing. That can be totally indirectly related. The only reason why I bring this up is, isn't it awfully weird that when I start coughing right as Crix's game starts, I get sick right as Crix's game starts? You know, it's strange what you want to call weird anymore with everything that's been happening to Crix, Dante, Red, Muse, Singer, CPRA agents. All the weird thing that's been happening to them, you know, what is the definition of weird anymore? I don't know. But I really hope this is just a coincidence. This better be a coincidence.